3, 2, 1.
Which of the following has an octet of electrons around the central atom? The answer is B, NH4+. What happens after I sell on eBay? The answer is C, I make money from their purchases. How will solid foods help him feel better? The answer is C, the food will help his immune system. A sample of solid NgCl2 would be most soluble in which of the following solutions? The answer is A, LiOAC. When were Israelis evacuated from Gaza Strip? The answer is C, 2005. What may happen if he leaves them? The answer is D, they will be better off. What may happen after taking photos of the statue? The answer is A, we'll get a lot of enjoyment. Why is she leaving her job? The answer is A, she was not satisfied with it. Remove tough jar lid without straining wrists. How would you do this? The answer is A, use a paper towel. Pillowcase, how would you do this? The answer is A, can store socks which is larger. When did Brazil adopt federalism? The answer is D, 1891. In what year was the Fleet Air Arm Museum established? The answer is D, 2001. A knife, how would you do this? The answer is A, spread rumors. How many pieces does each player have in backgammon? The answer is C, 15. How many points are scored with a field goal in American football? The answer is D, 3. How many satellites were removed from orbit during this time? The answer is C, 16. Ski pole, how would you do this? The answer is A, can be thrown like a spear. When did American Idol first air on television? The answer is C, 2002. What profession did Ronald Robinson and John Gallagher not share? The answer is A, 1999. Which of the following processes is an irreversible reaction? The answer is A. CH4G plus O2G. Right. ROCO2G plus H2O. What would make the car more impressive to me? The answer is C. If the interior were better designed. Dark and black clothing. How would you do this? The answer is A. Add 2 cups soft coffee grounds to washing machine. Why does the narrator seem to feel ripped off? The answer is C. They didn't get as many beds as they paid for. What percent of the teenage population is affected by herpes and HPV? The answer is B. 15. What may be the reason for them not doing PI work anymore? The answer is D. They are getting old. What may happen after K kills him? The answer is D. K's friend will be saved. How many bells are contained in the World War I Memorial Carillon? The answer is A. 56. How did he push into view? The answer is A. A wheelchair. What year did Edward L. Vader lead the initiative to construct the Atlantic City High School? The answer is C. 1923. Why is the narrator not interested in taking a break from the movie? The answer is D. The narrator is looking to relax. How many times did they practice so far? The answer is B. They did not have any practice before this time. How was the grandfather able to cash in empty cans? The answer is B. He took them to a depositing center. In which year was women's football officially introduced into the Summer Olympics? The answer is C. 1996. Why is the narrator feeling groggy the next morning? The answer is A. They were up all night drinking. Why is the narrator so furious at a coworker? The answer is D. The coworker lied. How old is a filly when she officially becomes a mare? The answer is C. 4. What year was the actress who played Mim in Bucket born? The answer is D. 1941. When was Constant born? The answer is B. 350. Why would the narrator be upset at how the event went? The answer is B. The weather did not comply. How would OP get involved if they wanted to participate? The answer is B. Sign up first come first serve basis. A man stands beside a pool. He throws a ball into the pool. Several people. What happens next? The answer is B. Swim to grab it. In what year was Italian Eritrea founded? The answer is D. 1890. In what year did Western Union absorb ADT? The answer is A. 1901. Why do they believe in ghosts? The answer is C. They had experienced unexplained events. In what year did sewage dumping in the Hudson River become a problem? The answer is B. 1947. When did the Northern Pacific Railroad reach Montana from the east? The answer is A. 1882. In what year did King Edward Roman VIII abdicate the throne? The answer is B. 1947. What year was Spoleto Festival UK founded? The answer is C. 1977. What year did Napoleon end of the War of the Fourth Coalition? The answer is C. 1807. Why did Gia end up at the hospital?